Now we are going to find the noun. Trouver le nom. So we have been given some of the verbs. We are going to find the noun form of these verbs. So the first verb given is mourir. Mourir is to die. So the noun form would be la morte, the death. La morte. Now naître. Naître is to be born. So the noun form is la naissance. La naissance. So mourir, la morte. Naître, la naissance. Se souvenir. So the noun form would be le souvenir. Le souvenir. Age, so âge, the noun form would be l'âge. So for these two, there is not a big difference. Se souvenir, the noun form, it is le souvenir. Âge, the noun form would be l'âge. Cure, here the noun form is le bonheur. Malade, the noun form is la maladie. Fatigue, the noun form is la fatigue. So these words are also new for us. So we need to keep practicing to be able to write the correct noun form for the given verb. So these are just a few examples of noun forms. So you need to learn the noun forms for all the given verbs. Next, we are going to learn some words along with their opposites. Trouver le contraire. So we are going to fill in these blanks with the opposite of the words given here. So most of these words might be new for you. So try to understand it along with me. So the first one is la ville, the city. So V is city. U. So what would be the opposite of the city? It is la campagna. La campagna. It means the countryside. The next sentence, le centre-ville. The centre-ville. So the center of the city, ou la banlieue. It is the suburbs. So this word means the suburbs. It is the opposite of the centre-ville, the center of the city. The next one, un appartement. Un appartement. So what would be the opposite? It would be a house. Une maison. Une maison. Un appartement ou une maison. The next one, l'ancien, the ancient, ou la moderne. La moderne. The next one, meuble. Meuble means furniture. With furniture, ou the opposite would be vide. Vide is empty. Finally, acheter, to buy, or the opposite would be louer, to sell. So we filled in the blanks with the opposites of the given words. So the reason we are doing this exercise is to improve our vocabulary. So these are new words we are learning. La ville ou la campagne, the city or the countryside. Le centre-ville ou la banlieue, the center of the city or the suburbs. Un appartement ou une maison, an apartment or a house. L'ancien ou la moderne, ancient or modern. Meuble, u, with. With furniture or empty. Ashite, u, live. Buy or sell. So, in every class, we will try to learn some words along with their opposites. So, by doing so, we will be learning new words and we will also be able to use these words in sentences when we need them.